Hi guys, and welcome back to Pyro Painting. Today I've got a real special video for you. Over the last couple of weeks, I've been doing emails back and forward with a company called Lucid Publications. Lucid are actually coming out with a new game, which will be ready for pre-order at the end of late April, called the Red Book of the Elf King. So, what I'm going to do here is going to show you two of the models that come from the Red Book of the Elf King. I'm going to show you how amazing and beautiful these sculpts are. So, I'm going to drop a few links in the description below. If you're intrigued by seeing any more of their models, or you wish to purchase one or possibly put in the pre-order, go over to that site, have a check out and see what you think. So, like I said, I'll set up the camera and we'll have a closer look at these miniatures. So, I'll see you in a minute. So then, miniatures I was talking about. Like I said, these are from Lucid. All hand sculpted. And here we have it. We have two miniatures here. We have Orelea of the Long Isles. And I'm not sure on the second one, but I'm going to go with Salian trollblood. Get these out. And yeah, here we go. So, this one is Orelea. Now, as I said, hand sculpted, and they look absolutely lovely. Now, like I said, this is for a book called the Red Book of the Elf King that will be ready for pre-order late April. But you can also pick up these miniatures now, so if you wanted to use them for like proxies, that sort of thing. Our second one is, as I said, the Salian, I think his name is, but Salian trollblood. And he is absolutely gorgeous. It comes in two parts, but the other part is just literally just the hand. And it fits literally kind of like just over his face kind of thing, which I reckon is absolutely glorious. So what I'm going to do a bit quick, I'm going to fit these together and try and get you a real close-up shot of the models once they're on the bases and all that. So I'll be back in a minute. So then, here we go. Let's have a quick close-up. First off, we have Orelea. And yeah, absolutely gorgeous, especially for hand sculpted as well. Very, really like the idea of this, the little fae, kind of fairies hanging off. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous models. I will stick some pictures of these up onto the Facebook site as well. I will also be painting these up because these are absolutely brilliant. So here we have, as I said, can't pronounce the name well, but all I can see is a Salian trollblood. Absolutely gorgeous. It's going to need some green stuff inside of the arm, but nothing really that bad to fix. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous. And I know it sounds stupid, but this really does not give them justice. To see these in person, they are so nice. So yeah, hop over to Lucid. If you really, even if you don't want to use them for the game, you want to like proxy them into other games, trust me, they're worth it. They really are worth it. So, I'll set up the camera once again, and I'll give you my final thoughts face to face. So then guys, there you have it. There's the models I was sent by Lucid Publications. They're really nice sculpts, and trust me, I've looked through the rest of their stuff, through their catalogs and all that sort of thing. Really nice. I saw one with like a monkey, looked like Caesar from Planet of the Apes. Gorgeous model. Seriously, go check everything out they have. Real nice. Like I said, I'll leave some links down in the description below to the site itself. I'll also leave the link to the two models you saw me go through today. Just so you can go straight to them instead of having to power through if that's your sort of thing. Like I said, they got a pre-order that's going to be going on for the Red Book of the Elf King, which will basically be the whole game encompassed in itself. It's just everything. You can buy the miniatures separately, so like I said, with proxies, so you could use it for D&D, Pathfinder, all that sort of thing. Especially if you don't like the sculpt from a particular company, you can try and work these in to that kind of level. But yeah, seriously, go and check them out. And until next time, guys, see ya.